Third and last scouting tool available in our team profile dashboard is the team comparison. It's a really interesting one because it allows us, again, for direct comparison between teams within the competitions that we selected. In our case, the Big Five leagues. So what we are going to do first is to select the teams that we want to compare. And I'm going for two teams which had a really different approach to the game in last season, which are Nottingham Forest and FC Barcelona. So what we really want to do in this exercise is to understand how these teams spend their time in possession and out of possession in the different phases of play. So we are going to select the matrix that tells us this, that actually describe their behavior, by choosing between the in possession phase time matrix and the out of possession phase time matrix. Simply put, we want to see how much of their time with the ball they spend in build up, in create, in finish, in transition, and in direct, and how much of their time without the ball they spend in a low block, in a mid block, or in a high block. You can obviously choose whatever metric you want, including physical metrics and everything that features in our game intelligence package as well, including the outcomes of each phase of play. So once you go down, you actually get the comparison according to the metrics you selected. And we can see, for example, that Barcelona was really dominant, spending a lot of time in finish, while Nottingham Forest was, again, spending a lot of time in transition, in direct. Out of possession, Nottingham Forest was actually preferring a low block, while FC Barcelona was really spending a lot of their time without the ball in a high block, pressing the opponent. If we just go on a table, we can actually get both the percentile value shown on the bar, but also the absolute value. You can download the image, and again, as done in the player comparison section, you can change the way you visualize this data. So if you click on the radar chart, you're gonna get two different ones or one combined radar, which allows, again, for a direct comparison. Last but not least, you can click on the table section and get a simple table to visualize with colors and values how these two clubs split their in possession and out of possession time in the different phases of play.